quick video. This is my soup recipe, and I'm making this video for my children. And this pot I have cooking string beans, okra, onion, garlic cloves, potatoes, carrots, celery, corn, and kidney beans. And you can use some frozen vegetables if you have them. It's okay. So they almost cook. And over here I have the chicken. This is chicken breast, but you can use chicken thighs, chicken tenders. I cut it in little pieces. I season it with salt, pepper, and garlic. Once this is cooked is when I add it to the soup. After the soup, and let me do that now. Let me put the paper down. Okay, because the chicken is already cooked. Gee, this pan was hot. Woo! So now I mix everything together and I let it simmer together for another 5 minutes. And then after that, which I'm not going to be able to show it to you, I add frozen peas and a few hands of spinach. This soup reminds me of Stone Soup, the book. So you need just a little bit of carrots, a little bit of onions, a little bit of celery, a little bit of potatoes. And by the time you finish, you have this big pot full of vegetables. After it's cooked, you can add some cilantro if you like, or I boil some eggs, and I like to put a boiled egg inside my soup. I think it's delicious. And so, or avocado, a few slices of avocado. It's also delicious. And yeah, so this is it. This is Mom's soup. The soup that you guys grew up with. There it is. Mommy's soup. Love you. Bye.